Okay, so today we are unboxing this brand new gun.
Nerf gun, obviously.
Yeah, it's not a real gun. Okay.
Need help with that?
No, just give me a second.
I can get the scissors.
I can definitely.
Can I get the other one? Please? Sure. Can I, please? I wanna.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, sure.
My nail's not sharp. My nail's sharp enough. I just cut the tape with my nail.
Okay, let's go inside.
Oh my.
Have a look. Okay, so,
Wait,
what we should look
We
at
have
first.
a
It's
few
the gun.
pieces though.
Yeah, let's take this part out. If this thing like shake, can you like pull this thing back?
Yeah, we have there's a few different.
Wow. So this thing goes back.
Yeah, that's like the base. And then we got darts. Nothing new about that.
Okay, so this is the shotgun part of the gun. Let's open this up.
Ooh, I like scopes.
Oh yeah, that's an actual
I love scopes. Don't ask why.
that's an actual scope.
Yeah. I'm unboxing the scope. I don't care if it's your gun. Ooh, how do you use it?
Oh wait, so now
Corn, I don't think this.
we have the Gatling part and also the other scope
I think
part.
this one is on the. Ooh.
You realize the scopes are magnetic.
Cause like off of our blue.
No, Ashlyn. So you look at this.
Yeah,
This
like
is a
off
magnet.
of this one, they have this scope
And also
that
look,
I really like.
look at this. So it stays on, and then you pull it off. It's a magnet that keeps it on together.
Yeah, I love scope. Is that but it's not a real scope, is it? This one is a real scope. Like I can see the.
Man, this is a big.
I love scopes.
Now let's get out
You can also
the,
use them to spy on
the
people.
grip.
What?
Now let me get this thing out.
What is this? Oh, they have a little.
So, it's looking more like an actual gun. Now, I'm gonna take that one.
Can I?
Okay.
Can I open that one? I haven't been. I'll open this one. I like opening things.
Okay, now let's see how it goes. And man,
What?
pretty high powered. By the way, that scope, it's actually pretty cool because it actually shows real animals.
What?
That scope,
Ooh, this scope is real?
let me show you. So,
Nah. Can't you let a woman use her scope?
oh wait, oh yeah.
Can I use my
Look at there. Look at that. Look
Give
at
me
that.
the scope.
Ashlyn, no wait, the scope doesn't actually work. It's a flashlight that shows the animal.
Whoa.
Look at the wall. Look where I'm pointing.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. So it looks like you're shooting an animal. Oh, that's cool. And then you can turn it on and off. The scope's better because you can use it to spy on people.
So, I think we will need to actually charge this. Oh, in order to shoot the actual gun part, we need to click this little button right here. So you do this.
Oh, so there's not like a trigger?
Oh, there is a trigger. It's right
Oh.
here.
Can you use either? Is the difference between the button and the trigger?
The button actually shoots the shotgun part.
Oh. Can you... Never mind.
You could definitely...
Oh, what about this piece?
Hmm?
You're gonna...
Oh, yeah.
And... Oh, so there's like two different holders. So this is... It's nice how you have like two different holders just in case you like holding it differently. Because like this... never mind.
Now,
wait.
Oh, wait, I put it on wrong.
Also,
That thing.
like
It's
for
a
a
Gatling
part,
gun now.
like for a part 2 where we compare this gun and that gun.
Yep. And that should be all for the video today. And
Bye.
bye.